how to clear browser cache and fix a slow browser. Any type of browser that you use generates some cache files over a prolonged period. Now generally, to clear these cache files, the browser itself gives you the option. Based on the type of browser you're using, like Brave, Mozilla, Safari, Chrome, or Opera, or any other browsers like that, or even Microsoft Edge, try to look within its settings. In the case of Chrome browser, I can go to the three dots from the top right hand side from my smartphone and I can go to delete browsing data. So normally look for delete data or history option. Instead of the last 15 minutes, I will select all time, but do not clear it just yet. Wait for me, tap on more options, and instead of selecting all your browsing history and cookies, we only want to select the option cache images and files. So here again I can set this to all time and select cache images and files, making sure I only select the cache files. I can tap the delete button. This way we can do so for our browsers on the desktop and other versions as well. But if you are using on Android, Android also provides an easier method to do so. Long press your browser app icon on any Android which any browser you're using. Then look for an option called I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page. From here, we can go to the option called Storage, where we can see the option called Cache. So tap on Clear Cache. Do not clear data because that will reset the browser completely. So if you haven't synced it, you will lose all your history and tabs. But if not, you can just tap the Clear Cache button. This way you can clear a browser cache. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.